Since 1968, the International Baccalaureate's mission has been to create a better world through the power of education. 50 years later, IB's presence is felt in 5,000 schools globally and over 150 countries around the world. IB teaches students to think critically and independently by applying higher-order cognitive skills and to inquire with care and logic. With an innovative international approach, students learn in ways that develop their full potential. Over the past 5 years, the IB programs have grown by 39%. The growth has contributed to the increasing academic reputation the program has received by higher academic institutions worldwide. IB diploma graduates benefit from the excellent university recognition globally. Throughout the years, IB diplomas have been awarded to some of the most influential people in the world.